Bonjour mes amis, bienvenue dans l'épisode numéro 3 de cette nouvelle série One Line a Day, une phrase par jour. What are the learning benefits of this series? First of all, these are very short videos, so not too time consuming. Okay, you will not get bored. Secondly, you will not just be learning one sentence. I will analyze that sentence for you, break that into elements and explain each element to you. That will give you the power to create sentences on your own, because that will happen only when you understand how a sentence is made. Okay, so let's begin. It will solve the problem that many French learners experience, and they tell me that we know grammar, we know vocabulary, but we can't make sentences. So we'll see how the sentences are made by this. Alright? Okay, so on commence, c'est parti. So the line for today, the sentence for today is on se retrouve devant le jardin. As you are seeing a question mark, we'll read it like on se retrouve devant le jardin. On se retrouve devant le jardin. On se retrouve devant le jardin. Okay. Now let's understand all the elements that have gone in to create this sentence, and what is the meaning and when can you use this sentence. On is a pronoun third person singular. All of you know this means we also and one also. So the use of on is mostly instead of we in spoken French. You'll very rarely hear people using nous, they always say on. Okay, and on is also used in general statements where there's no specific subject. In this case the meaning is we. Se retrouve. So this, I have highlighted this together. Retrouver is a verb, but se retrouver means to meet. Retrouver is to find something again, but when we use se retrouver is like meet each other, find each other. So that is meet, se retrouver. Se retrouver is the root verb, infinitif, et quand on conjugue, quand on fait la conjugaison selon le sujet, according to the subject, on a ça. On se retrouve. Devant is a preposition which means in front of. Le jardin. Le jardin, the garden. On se retrouve devant le jardin. On se retrouve devant le jardin. What is the meaning? Let's meet in front of the garden. It's a question also. So the one person who's supposed to meet the other person is suggesting, can we meet in front of the garden? Let's meet in front of the garden. This sentence is used when you're talking to someone and you have to set an appointment. You can replace the place with the time also. On se retrouve à quelle heure? We meet each other at what time? On se retrouve à midi. Let's meet at noon. Also hotu, and you put a place, then you can decide the place. So this very sentence can be used to set a meeting point, set a meeting time with someone. I hope you found this useful. Let's revise it once again. On se retrouve devant le jardin. On se retrouve devant le jardin. Let's meet in front of the garden. On se retrouve dans le deuxième épisode. Let's meet in the next episode. Deuxième non, troisième. Troisième épisode. Okay, so let's meet in the next episode. Till then, you stay safe. Bonne journée. Au revoir. Ciao, ciao. Subscribe if you still haven't. Bye-bye.